Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming today to share a card that I made. This will be for Saturday morning makes. I'll have the links down below to Jill Norwood's channel as well as the hashtag. So let's jump right in. And as you see, I am not done using Christmas products. However, I made a Valentine's Day card out of these little gingerbreads because the gingers are going for everything nowadays, not just Christmas anymore. So, anyways, I will be using this little dress, this little short outfit, as well as the little overlay here, which is this up here, and then the little thingy right here. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else on here. The faces that I am using is from the back side, and that is this one here as well as this one here. And I am storing this like, oh, I forgot her name, Suzanne from A Creative Muse. She uses the scrapbook.com storage, and that was just perfect. The way she had that, and I stored mine the same way. So that's what I'm using. That's the main product that I'm using. I'm going to show everything else that I use to create this adorable card. So I'm using the chalk ink. I kind of combined this color and this one, and I've had this for many years. But anyways, I combined that pink and that red for the cheeks. And this is the red paper that I'm using. I just wanted to show you that because I also use this red colored, what is it, Bria Reese, to color in to make it darker, as well as this Spectrum Noir glitter pen. These little diamond gems from BB Craft. I'm using a few of the hearts from this Candy Dots from Bo Bunny. This is from CC Designs, and I am using just the Valentine. Do you get where I'm going now? I'm using Valentine, the little gingers for Valentine. I am using this little, I don't know what you call it, little leaf thing back here from the skates. Make sure you get all the use out of your dies that you possibly can. So I am using that for Valentine's Day. This is from Stephanie Bernard, or made by Stephanie Bernard from Sizzix. So I'm using, I want to say, this size right here. I am also using these honeybee stamp papers. And I'm using this one right here. My favorite things, I'm using this color right here. And then I went way back. And if you all still have those iRock gems, and look at this. This is so tiny and it will be perfect for eyes. I didn't think I had anything like this. I didn't use it for eyes today, though. I used the little pink gems out of there. But just remember that. If you got those, hey, they're perfect for little eyes for animals. I use this to ink up that little dress. I'm using Abandoned Coral and Warm Lipstick. I combine both of those. And then to ink up the gingers, I am using tea dye as well as gathered twigs. So I did the tea dye first, then brung it in a little bit with the gathered twigs and finished it up with the walnut stain. And I am also using this Signo Uniball pen, white gel pen. And so those are all the items I used for this adorable card. Let me just move everything else over and show you this. I just thought it was adorable. Turned out so cute, and those little twigs went perfect. I thought those looked like little hearts on the end of that, and so I thought that went perfect. There goes the bow that I used, which is from this same set. And just put that right there, that gem. And look at those tiny little gems there. Now this time, and I actually wish I had went with her pigtails, but I used from that, let me see if I can show you, from this set here. It has her with the little puff balls on it. And so I thought I would do the same, but I thought it kind of turned her into looking like a bear for whatever reason. So I probably won't do that again. I would just probably use the pigtails. But I thought she turned out adorable. I did add some stickles on there, and I forgot to show you those, but those are right here, hibiscus stickles. That's what I used there. And I think that's about it. Now I didn't put his little icing on the on his legs. I just thought it was just a little bit too much, so I left it off. And and I used that little this little hat here, which is the same as this hat here, but I just left off everything to make it just as a plain hat. So try and get the most out of your dies there. I did forget to show you this here, which is always, as always, but that came from Elizabeth's Crafts, her dashes rectangles, and I used it in the inside as well. And so I thought it turned out super adorable. So I would love to see what you all, or how far you all can take those gingerbreads into the next following year, and don't use them just for Christmas. All right, that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a happy new year because the day is New Year's, and be safe out there. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.